So this is the after effect of the engine. This was the first thing I saw, was a ceramic broke right here. And it broke the ceramic on the inside too. So moving on to what everybody wants to see. Here's the 331 right here. Pulled the cylinder head off. Show you what hit the valves. The valves hit the piston here. You can see that it's got a bent valve right there. The exhaust vent valve is bent also. The head itself looks okay, I think. And this is the piston that broke. The rod, looks like the rod broke. It's pretty marred up. It got beat around in there. Also the piston, you can see, is broken here. The actual ringland is curved right there. I thought that was pretty interesting, along with the rest of the piston just being shattered. Here, I'll spin this engine over so you can see the bottom half. Alright, so the crank got pretty beat up right there. You can see inside there, the bottom of the cylinder got really chewed up from that rod. It's a big old gouge. I'm not sure if the cylinder can be sleeved or not to fix that. It did get that piston down there too. You can see some of the damage from that piston. That's pretty much it. That's the carnage from all this. It's pretty nasty. Where do we go from here? Should I rebuild this engine and go to a 363, or build a 427, or put the dreaded LS3 in it? Let me know what you think in the comments.